SwiftData is Apple's modern framework for managing data offline. It's efficient, lightweight, and easy to use. In our app so far, we display data primarily from the Movie Database API. The goal in this section is to save and delete titles in the Download tab. If you're just joining us, the starting code is in the description, so you can code along. The first step in this journey is to get our title model, SwiftData-ready. Starting in title.swift, we can replace import foundation with SwiftData. Foundation wasn't used in this file, and the SwiftData import allows us access to the library. The title struct is what will be saved in our data, therefore, it needs to be marked with @model. To properly use this macro, change struct to class. @model converts a Swift class into a stored model that's managed by SwiftData. There are a few errors that happen with this change. The first of which is because init isn't used. Make some room after the poster path property, type init, and press enter to autocomplete. Adding init tells SwiftData exactly how to create our class from scratch. Without it, SwiftData can't properly initialize all stored properties when loading the model from storage. The next error is because our model isn't conforming to the decodable protocol. Scroll down, add a couple of new lines after init, required init, wait a few seconds, and autocomplete if it adds a decoder. Required init tells SwiftData how to create our model from the decoded JSON data. Since we also changed the struct to a class, required init makes sure any subclass can be decoded the same way. Before we complete the required init function, coding keys are needed to properly match the JSON's object property to ours. Right above required init, make some space, enum, coding keys, coding key, with braces. Inside coding keys, case ID, case title, case name, case overview, case poster path. Inside required init, let container equals try decoder dot container keyed by coding keys dot self. This line creates a container that lets us access the JSON data using the keys defined in coding keys. Now that we have our container, we can try to decode and initialize our properties. ID equals try container.decode if present, int.self for key.id. All our properties are optionals because there might be a chance the server data returns nil. In this case, I found decode if present is a safe way to continue. We just need to complete this for the rest of our properties. Title equals try container.decode if present string.self for key.title. Copy this line and paste it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Replace the rest of the properties. Name, overview, and poster path, poster path. Our model is SwiftData-ready. The final step is to add a model container to our app. Open BlossomMovie app.swift. At the top, import SwiftData. After the window group closing brace, .model container for title.self. This creates a SwiftData container that knows how to store and manage title objects. It'll handle saving, loading, and keeping our model data in sync with the database. With this, our model is ready. We'll put it to use in the next one. Thank you for watching.